My name is Jan Demuth and I'm General Director of Home Concept, Home Trend and Forest Dream.
My name is Kosovo Ripai. I'm the CEO of a group of the companies. Home Concept is our factory based in Poland. We decided to choose the Threespine technology from Välinge for many reasons. Välinge has a very modern mindset, advanced, oriented, innovative and creative. And the same mindset we have also in our production. When we met Välinge with this technology, it was very simple to understand.
We see the development of more and more online sales. The demand is getting bigger and bigger, that everything must be faster and faster. Yeah? So you want fast delivery and also you don't want to spend a lot of time building the furniture. So this is exactly where Threespine technology is hitting the spot to improve the speed of building the furniture at home. In the past, we produced also ready assembled furniture to deliver to the customer, but there's a disadvantage that you have a lot of claims because you damage the furniture while transporting it into your flat or into your house. It makes more sense to have a fast assembly where you need it, not to do this in the factory. We did this in the past. You have a claim rate of about from 10 to 30% or something. And with disassembled furniture, you have claim rates of about 2 and 5%. So yeah, it's really a big advantage. The collaboration with Välinge has been very good. They're very supportive in every detail, from adjusting the machine and making tests so everything is in perfect condition. They were very helpful.
If we are talking about the cooperation between Home Concept and Välinge, it was really very nice. They were supporting us at every stage. They came so many times in our factory and we tested products, we did a drop test and we did everything what is required from the European Union and even more. So we fulfill all the standards and we are working closer, our team, the Välinge team, and checking everything step by step, even the final stage before we do the production. Välinge is together with our guys here controlling and checking everything if it's fit for the customer.
Threespine is the ideal technology because it's easy to integrate into our requirements of large-scale production.
Implementation process of Threespine technology at our factory, it was very easy. We did a very good plan before we got the machines, before we started to customize our product to this technology. And they visited us many times. They gave us training, online, offline, wherever we needed.
We chose Threespine technology as they have the most professional approach to this assembly without tools, in our opinion.
And I think this is the beginning of the big industrial revolution in the furniture business. It's just the beginning.